Hello, and welcome back to my Lotus Elise and Porsche YouTube channel thing. So it's summer, and that is the perfect time to cruise around with the top off on the Lotus Elise. But then I remembered, the soft top that I have is actually kind of broken right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken Elise soft top. Now there are two different things that usually fail on the soft top, and I'll show you how to fix the one that I'm dealing with. All right, now this is going to seem pretty simple because it's really just about gluing things. Now there are two things that usually fail on the soft tops. Either this cable here will fail, the one that creates tension at the front of the top. Luckily mine has not failed there. Or this material starts to separate right here like this, and it starts to come apart. And you can tell I've actually re-glued this once before, but it didn't hold. You can see, I think I used some kind of Gorilla Glue or something here. This side's holding a little bit better, but this side did not hold. So when I was getting my hardtop headliner redone, I actually asked the guy that works there what the best kind of glue or what I should use to fix this. And he said to use a black urethane or polyurethane. So I got this here, this Sikaflex 221. It's black. It's a multi-purpose polyurethane sealant. And he said the best thing to do was clean this up really, really well, maybe with like a file or a little bit of sandpaper or something, and then use that. So let's go ahead and give that a try, and then we'll clamp it down and see how it goes. The main thing you want to do is get this all cleaned up so that the polyurethane will stick to it well. I'm also going to use a little bit, just going to kind of cut some of this away with this. Now just be careful not to cut your top while you're doing this. See, this is the old stuff that I used to glue it in. Did not hold up very well. All right, so it's the next day. Let's take a look. I let this dry overnight with the clamps on it, and let's see how it turned out. You can see kind of my clamp setup here. I used these to give it a little bit of cushion so the clamps wouldn't like leave any imprints on the material. Highly recommend that. All right, so let's take a look. Even with my cushions, the clamps did leave a little bit of an imprint in here. But I think that as that heats up, and actually as the clamps are off, that should go away. But actually this turned out super nice. You can see the seam. It's nice, it's secure in there. It's not separating. It is obviously black, which looks a lot better. And yeah, it's pretty solidly in there. Now I didn't do the bottom part of it here. That part is like a little bit loose. But I couldn't really get the urethane in there without removing the whole thing. So I'm just gonna leave that for now. Same with this corner down here at this bottom. This one's not that bad. I'm just gonna wait for this to get worse. And then if that separates, I'll get some urethane in there and just kind of wedge it into that corner. But yeah, really happy with how this turned out. Looks good. And you know, it's not falling down and separating anymore. So anyways, pretty simple fix. I'm sure you can do that yourself. The main thing is just making sure you have the right product, and that black urethane is really good stuff. I think it's really similar to the stuff that they use to glue in the windshield of cars, so it should hold up a lot better than the Gorilla Glue that I was using before. If you were using super glue or some other kind of silicone sealant, the urethane really is the way to go, so give that a try. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video useful and can get this job done on your Lotus.